Hello and greetings to everyone. We will continue from where we ended last time with the correction of the following exercises for application. We are going to take down solution. Question E, we have to add these two binary numbers. The first thing we have to do is we are going to arrange the numbers such that the bases are vertically aligned. The first number we have 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0 in base 2. For the second number, we have 1, 1, 1, 1 in base 2. Under 0 here, I'll place the last digit 1. This digit has the lowest place value. Base, we are going to write the base. Under 1, we have 1. Under this one, we have 1. Then we have the last digit 1 with the highest place value in the second binary number. Then we draw our horizontal line. Then we put the addition sign. We add the digits starting from the right hand side to the left. 0 plus 1 gives us 1. We put the base. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Since we are working in base 2, it will be funny if we write down the digit 2 here. It becomes wrong. We are going to divide 2 by 2. We write down the remainder. Then we carry the whole number part. 2 divided by 2 gives us 1 remainder 0. We are going to write 0 here. Then we carry 1. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Plus the 1 we carried, this whole number part, it gives us 3. 3 in base 2 gives us 1 remainder 1. We are going to write down 1 here. We carry 1. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Plus this whole number part, 3. 3 in base 2 gives us 1 remainder 1. We are going to write down the remainder here. Carry 1. 0 plus nothing remains 0. Plus the 1 we carry gives us 1. 0 plus nothing remains 0. 1 plus nothing remains 1. Our answer will simply be 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 in base 2. Next, we go to question B. For B, we have to add these two numbers in base 6. We have 2, 3, 4, 1 in base 6. We are going to arrange the second number. 2 will be here, base 6, 4, 3, 5. Then we put the addition sign. We add. Draw a horizontal line. 1 plus 2 gives us 3. We're going to write down 3 here because 3 is less than 6. We will write the base. 4 plus 4 gives us 8. Since we are working in base 6, we cannot write down 8 here. We know 8 divided by 6 will give us 1 remainder 2. We're going to write down the remainder 2. We carry 1. 3 plus 3 gives us 6. Plus the 1 we carry gives us 7. 7 in base 6 gives us 1 remainder 1. We are going to write down 1. We carry 1. 2 plus 5 gives us 7. Plus this 1 gives us 8. We know 8 in base 6 gives us 1 remainder 2. We are going to write the remainder here 2. Then we write down the whole number part at the highest place value. Our answer will simply be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 in base 6. We go now to question C. For C, we have 7, 5, 2, 3, 0 in base 8 minus 6, 5, 4, 6 in base 8. Under 0, we have 6. We have to write the base here 8. Under 3, we have 4. Under 2, we have 5. And lastly, under 5 here, we have 6. So we put the subtraction sign. We draw our horizontal line. We know the number 6546 in base 8 is less than the number 75230 in base 8. We have 0 minus 6. 0 is less than 6, so we are going to move to 3 here. Since 3 is at a higher place value, we are going to take a 1 from this 3, and the 1 we take represents the number 8. We are taking it to a lower place value. 0 plus 8 gives us 8. 8 minus 6 gives us 2. We bring down the base. Now here we are left with 2. 2 is less than 4. We are going to move to this higher place value. We take a 1, and the 1 we take here represents the number 8. 2 plus 8 gives us 10. 10 minus 4 gives us 6. Here now we are left with 1. We are going to move to a higher place value. Since 1 is less than 5, we take a 1 here, which represents 8. 8 plus 1 gives us 9. 9 minus 5 gives us 4. Here we are left with 4. 4 is less than 6, so we are going to move to a higher place value. We take a 1, which represents the number 8. 8 plus 4 gives us 12. 12 minus 6 gives us 6. Here we are left with 6. 6 minus nothing remains 6. We underline the answer. Now we go to question D. For D we have 4, 3, 8, 8, 7, 6 in base 9 minus the number 88761 in base 9. Under 6 here we have 1. Bring down the base. 7 we have 6. Here we have 7. 8, 8. We will put the minus sign. Six minus 1 gives us 5. We bring down this 9. 7 minus 6 gives us 1. 8 minus 7 gives us 1. 8 minus 8 gives us 0. Here we have 3 minus 8. 3 is less than 8. We are going to move to this higher place value. At the digit 4, we take a 1, which represents the number 9. 9 plus 3 gives us 12. 12 minus 8 gives us 4. Here now we are left with 3. 3 minus nothing remains 3. We bring down the 3. Our answer will simply be 34015 in base 9. We are done. Next, now we go to question E. Question E, we have to multiply two numbers in base 5. The first number we have 3, 4, 2 in base 5. We have to multiply this number by 1, 3, 2 in base 5. So here we have 1, here 3, and here 2 in base 5. We are going to draw this horizontal line. Then we put the multiplication sign and X. First, if we are to start with the digit 1, which has the highest place value, we are going to fix 2 zeros under these other two place values, since they are lower than the place value for the digit 1. We put the base 5. 1 times 2 gives us 2. 1 times 4 gives us 4. And lastly, 1 times 3 gives us 3. Next, now we go to the digit 3. It has the second highest place value, so we are going to fix a 0 here. Then we put the base 5. 3 times 2 gives us 6. We are working in base 5, so it will be funny if we write down the digit 6. We know 6 divided by 5 gives us 1 remainder 1. We are going to write down 1 here. Then we carry 1. 3 times 4 gives us 12. Plus this 1 gives us 13. 13 in base 5 gives us 2 remainder 3. We're going to write down 3 here. We carry 2. 3 times 3 gives us 9. Plus the 2 we carry gives us 11. 11 in base 5 gives us 1 remainder 1. We are going to write down the remainder here, which is 1, and the whole number part here at the higher place value. Now we go now to 2, which has the lowest place value. 2 times 2 gives us 4. 4 is less than 5, so we can write down 4. Then we bring down the base. 2 times 4 gives us 8. 8 in base 5 gives us 1 remainder 3. We are going to write down the remainder here 3. Then we carry 1. 2 times 3 gives us 6. Plus 1 gives us 7. And 7 in base 5 is simply 1 remainder 2. We are going to write down the 2 here, which is the remainder, then the whole number part 1 at the higher place value. Then we add 0 plus 0 plus 4 gives us 4. We write down the base. 0 plus 1 plus 3 gives us 4. 2 plus 3 gives us 5. 5 plus 2 gives us 7. And 7 in base 5 simply gives us 1 remainder 2. We are going to write down 2 here. We carry 1. 4 plus 1 gives us 5. 5 plus 1 gives us 6. 6 plus 1 gives us 7. 7 in base 5 gives us 1 remainder 2. Write down the 2 here. We carry 1. 3 plus 1 gives us 4. 4 plus 1 gives us 5. 5, since we are working in base 5, we cannot write down the digit 5 here. 5 divided by 5 gives us 1 remainder 0. We are going to write down 0 here. Then we write down the 1 at a higher place value, higher place value. Now this will give us a result of 1022244 in base 5. I'll put this therefore 342 in base 5 times 132 in base 5 is simply equal to 1022244 in base 5. Underline the answer. Next, now we go through question F. For F, we have 1 0 0 1 1 1 in base 2 times 1 1 0 1 in base 2. We are going to arrange it. So here we have 1, we put the base is 0 1 1. Then we multiply them. This digit 1 here at the left hand side has the highest place value. So for us to perform this multiplication, we are going to fix 1 2 3 zeros. To fix 3 zeros here, 1 2 3. Then we bring down the base 2. 1 times 1 gives 1. 1 times 1 gives 1. 1 times 1 gives 1. 1 times 0 gives 0. 1 times 0 gives 0. 1 times 1 gives 1. Next, now we go to the second digit 1, starting from the left to the right. Here we are going to fix 2 zeros under these place values. We have 0 0. Then we bring down the base. 1 times 1 gives 1, we're writing it here. 1 times 1 gives 1, we write it here. 1 times 1 gives 1, we write it here. Next, 1 times 0 gives 0. 1 times 0 gives 0. And lastly, 1 times 1 gives 1, we write it here. Next, now we go to the next digit, which is 0. Since this digit is 0, if we multiply 0 by any number or any digit, it gives us 0. We are going to have zeros, a series of zeros down here, which is of no use. So we simply move to the last digit, which is 1. And these digits are the lowest place value. So we are going to take 1 times 1, it gives us 1. We are going to write it here because this digit occupies this place value. We are going to write it here 1. We bring down the base. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Then we add. 0 plus 0 plus 1 gives us 1. Then we bring down the base in base 2. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, plus 1, it gives us 2. 2 in base 2 gives us 1 remainder 0. We are going to write down 0, then we carry 1. 1 plus 1 gives us 2, plus 0 remains 2, plus 1, 3. 3 in base 2 is simply 1 remainder 1. We are going to write down 1 here, we carry 1. 1 plus 1 gives 2, plus 0 it remains 2, plus this one we carry gives us 3. 3 in base 2 gives us 1 remainder 1. Write down 1, we carry 1. Next, 1 plus 0 gives 1, plus 1 it gives 2, plus this one we carry gives us 3. 3 in base 2 gives us 1 remainder 1. We write down the remainder, we carry the whole number part. 0 plus 0 remains 0, plus this whole number part 1 gives us 1. 0 plus 1 remains 1. 1 plus nothing remains 1. This will give us a result of 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Therefore, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 in base 2 times 1, 1, 0, 1 in base 2 is simply equal to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 in base 2. This is the final result. Underline it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is always good to verify. Next, now we go to question G. For G, we have to divide these two binary numbers. First thing, we need to start by converting these two binary numbers to base 10. We take the first one. This will simply give us 1 times 2 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1 times 2 raised to the power 6 plus the other digits are 0, so we move to 1 times 2 raised to the power 1, 2, 3 plus the other digit 0, we move to this other digit 1 times 2 raised to the power 1. This will simply give us 1 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1 times 2 times 2 times 2 plus 1 times 2. This will simply be equal to, we know 1 times 2 gives us 2. 1 times 2 gives us 2. 2 times 2 gives us 4. 4 times 2 gives us 8. 8 times 2 gives us 16. 16 times 2 gives us 32. 32 times 2 gives us 64. And lastly, 64 times 2 gives us 128. Plus, we move now to the next. This will give us 1 times 2, which is 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32 times 2, 64. Plus 1 times 2 gives 2 times 2, it gives 4 times 2, it gives us 8. Plus 1 times 2, which gives us 2. Next, we have to add. We are going to add 128 plus 64. It gives us 192. 192 plus 8 gives us 200. 200 plus 2 gives us 202. Next, now we have to convert the number 0 in base 2 to base 10. This will simply give us 1 times 2 raised to the power 1, which is simply equal to 1 times 2 raised to the power 1 is simply 2. 1 times 2 is simply equal to 2. Next, now we have to divide the number 202 by 2. This will simply give us 101. Next step, now we have to convert the number 101. Convert 101 to base 2. Let's do the conversion by the side here. For the first column, we have 2. The second column, we have number 101. And for the third, we have the remainder. 101 divided by 2 gives us 50, remainder 1. Divide 50 by 2 gives us 25, remainder 0. We divide 25 by 2 gives us 12, remainder 1. We divide 12 by 2, it gives us 6, remainder 0. We divide 6 by 2, it gives us 3, remainder 0. We divide 3 by 2, it gives us 1, remainder 1. Divide 1 by 2, the whole number part will simply be 0 and the remainder 1. We copy from bottom to top. The number 101 in base 2 is simply equal to 1100101 in base 2. We must write down the base. Then we conclude. Therefore, let's conclude. Therefore, 1100110 in base 2 divided by 10 in base 2 is simply equal to 1100101 in base 2. Underline the answer. Next, now we go to the last question. H. For H, we have 1, 3, 3, 2 in base 6 divided by 4 in base 6. First thing, we have to convert these two numbers to base 10. Take the first one, 1, 3, 2 in base 6 will simply be equal to 1 times 6 raised to the power 1, 2, 3 plus 3 times 6 raised to the power 1, 2 plus 3 times 6 raised to the power 1 plus 2 times 6 raised to the power 0. This will simply give us 1 times 6 times 6 times 6 plus 3 times 6 times 6 plus 3 times 6 plus 2 times 6 to the power 0 is simply 1. Now if you take 1 times 6, it remains 6. 6 times 6, it gives us 36. 36 times 6 gives us 216 plus, next we take 3 times 6, it gives us 18. 18 times 6 gives us 108 plus 3 times 6, which is 18, plus 2 times 1 gives us 2. Next, now we have 216 plus 108 gives us 324 plus 18, it gives us 342 plus 2, it gives us 344. Next, we have to convert the number 4 in base 6 to base 10. This will simply give us 4 times 6 raised to the power. After 4, there is no digit, so 6 will raise to the power 0. This will simply give us 4 times 1, which is simply 4. So the number 4 in base 6 is the same as 4 in base 10. Next thing, we have to divide the number 344 by 4. 344 divided by 4 will simply give us 86. Gives us 86. Next thing, now we have to convert 86 to convert 86 to base 6. We are going to make use of repeated division. For the first column we have 6, the second we have 86, and for the last one we have the remainder. First thing, if we divide 86 by 6, 86 divided by 6 gives us a whole number part of 14. For us to get the remainder, if we take 6 times 14, it gives us 84. 86 minus 84 gives us 2. We bring down 6. 14 divided by 6 gives us the whole number part of 2. 2 times 6 gives us 12. 14 minus 12 gives us 2. The remainder will be 2. Bring down 6. We divide 2 by 6. The whole number part will simply be 0. Since 2 is less than 6. And the remainder will simply be 2. Then we copy from bottom to top. The number 86 in base 6 is simply equal to 2, 2, 2. You must write down the base in base 6. Therefore, we conclude, therefore 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 2 in base 6 divided by 4 in base 6 is simply equal to 2, 2, 2 in base 6. We are done with the correction of the exercises. If in case there are any worries, make sure you leave your questions at the comment section. Please, you like the video, you share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Next, we are going to start with a new topic, which is matrix system of measurements.